Alright, this is part 4. Hey, I'm outside. As you can see, it's really windy. We got lightning out here. And I gotta be careful too, keep an eye on these branches. See if I can catch a lightning real quick without getting hit by a branch. There have been a lot of tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings out here. I'm just been watching. Come on, lightning. Oh, got one. Got one. Only filming a minute. Once again, this is part 4. This is not the actual squall line. This is a storm before the squall line. Come on, give me one more lightning. Give me one more lightning. That's good enough. Alright. I'm gonna shut this off for now. I'll start filming part 5 when the actual squall line comes in. This is not the squall line, this is a cell that might become warned. Alright, see you when the squall line comes in. Part 5 be coming in soon.